Hey YouTube, this is Jasmine, and I had my birthday dinner on the Carnival Fascination with the chef's table. So I just wanted to do a quick video of all the courses we went over. It was an 11-course meal. We started out with the preparation of a dessert in the chef's kitchen, and then we made it over to the table for dinner, and they greeted us with champagne. So this first course, I think it's the crispy lamb. I kind of forgot. And this is from the actual chef's table in the kitchen. This is the split pea soup that we made ourselves with the matcha. We poured it in and stirred it up. It was cold soup. It was okay. I wouldn't recommend it, just being honest. This is the pork belly, which was actually really good. This is, I think that's the lamb. I think that's the sea bass. And this is just a picture of the dining area. It was set up for private dining only. And it was about myself, my travel buddy, and 4 other guests. This is the chicken dish. It's not called chicken on the menu though. I forgot the name of that tiny bird. These are, okay, that's caviar. That's the dessert, caviar with cream cheese. And my birthday cake, they did a little happy birthday song. And that is another dessert that they gave us. And this is the staff. They were so helpful, so friendly. They were great. We saw them all throughout the cruise and they always waved at us. And my birthday song. Can you record?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!